Information Girls, and today I'm going to do a how-to video on how to go live on your YouTube channel. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go to youtube.com. Make sure that you're signed in to your YouTube channel. Then there is a button right here, and you're going to click that. That's the camera. And you see the second tab says Go Live. Once you go there, you're going to decide how you want to go live. Do you want to stream it or do you want to do a webcam? There you go, I chose webcam. Then you're going to want to create the title for your live stream and choose if you want it to be public or private. After that is done, you're going to make sure you click all of the other items that you need to, like making sure it's not for kids or if it is for kids, and then you would click next. After that, it's going to come up and it's going to take a picture of you for your thumbnail, or you can choose the thumbnail of your choice. And there you go. You have completed your very first live stream, or now you know exactly how to go live. So I am Marlene of the Information Girls, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. And we will see you on the next informational video. Bye-bye.